As fellow homeowners, we know your roof can represent a significant and important home investment that deserves only the best. Thanks for considering an Owens Corning roofing system. The combination of the Owens Corning brand and the Platinum Preferred contractor you're working with can deliver a material difference for your home and peace of mind for your family. Our network represents an exclusive group of top roofers, each of whom meet our strict eligibility requirements. We're proud of the products we make and the professionals who install them. And when your neighbors, friends, and family see a brand new roof on your home, we want you to be proud too.
Hi, I'm Chris Gonzalez and I'm the owner of Millsteam Construction, based in East Hartford, Connecticut. We provide quality residential roofing right in your backyard. As an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred contractor, we help provide the peace of mind that comes from having high-quality shingles installed. Did you know we are a family-owned business, are owner-operated, and offer free estimates? We look forward to serving you. Visit us at millstreamco.com to learn more.